Hello everyone! So, meron tayo ngayong Hikari Ultra Glutathione that has an oral sunblock and this is buy one, take one. So, naka-promo po tayo and this is limited offer lang po. So, you grab it na kasi sayang promo for only 599 pesos. Limited offer lang, kaya grab it now. Pampaputi, meron pa siyang mga other content na nakakatulong talaga for glowing skin, anti-aging, and many more. So, this is a food supplement. So, kaya safe and effective. Para ka lang nag-vitamins. Pero ito maraming dala talaga. So, nakakatuwa to. At saka nakakagaan ngayon sa bulsa kasi sobrang mura dahil naka-promo po ito. This is FDA approved. Lahat po ito tested po talaga. Kaya safe po gamitin. So, don't worry guys. Dahil ngayon, para po sa inyo ito. Habang naka-promo po, you grab it na. This is unlimited offer.